Hi guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BK MOET Institutes once again for you, and today we are going to do part B and C. At the end of this part B and C, I will also put reading part A, which we did yesterday, and please follow the techniques. If you do not follow the techniques, why are you watching the video? Don't do it for me, guys. Please do it for yourself. Yesterday we had this thing. The most important thing to manage time in reading part A is that you do 1 to 7 questions, and out of 1 to 7 questions, 5 questions would be easy, or 4 or 6, but all the 7 questions cannot be easy. So the most important thing when it comes to reading part A is to save time. The same fundamental, saving time is the most important thing. Saving time does not mean that you will get an extra time. Saving time means you give time to the questions which can be solved easily. Please understand, means you give time to the questions which can be solved easily. You give less time to the questions which are difficult. In normal reading, whatever you guys do, it happens otherwise. You give more time to difficult questions which get wrong, and you give less time to easy questions which in hurry gets wrong. That is why we lose marks. If we will do only easy questions right, we will not have any trouble whatsoever. Please understand, now I will try to tell you this strategy as well. How do you know whether the question is difficult or easy? Let's see. And I'm going to solve this question paper for you. Thanks to the creator of this question paper again, being Dr. BK MOET Institute. My job is to teach you how to do this. And this is what I say in the part B and C elimination method. But let's see how do we apply this method. A study by Mary N. Pellymounter and her colleagues found that. So the main words again is Mary N. Pellymounter. Sometimes there is an extra information that is given, but those words are not said by Mary N. Pellymounter. My question is a study by, so study was it word is important. Study by Mary N. Pellymounter and her colleagues found that. So what did study found? Make it very simple, means you get a big line of the question, you convert it into 2 or 3 words. So my question now is study by MAP found that. So what did study found? Four words. What did study found? Okay. The excitement began the last week when the journal Science published the findings of 3 groups which have been working on the protein. The results in the obese mice with a defective gene that prevents them making protein were dramatic. Mary and Pellymountain. Now my keywords are here. Now focus is double. Otherwise, I don't read it much. I don't give my energy. So my energy should be given to this line. Mary and Pellymountain and her colleagues at Amgen gave obese mice shots of protein every day for a month, means 30 days they gave protein shot. Those on the highest dose lost about 22% of their weight. Before treatment, these mice overate, eaten. Those mice overate, had low metabolic rate than normal, low temperature, raised 20 levels of insulin and glucose in their blood. So all the parameters which make them obese were there, that they were overeating, they were having lot of weight, they were not moving much, metabolic rate was slow, temperature was low, insulin and glucose was high. The protein brought all these back to normal. So what's the benefit of the protein? What is the benefit of the protein? That every parameter, every variable became normal. More significantly, in terms of potential for a humans living, the treatment also worked on the normal mice. So not only for the healthy mice, but for the normal mice, this treatment worked, which lost what little spare fat they had. They lost around 3 to 5% of their body weight, almost all it in the form of fat. So the healthy mice lost all the fat. This is important because no one has identified a mutation in the human that this and this. Okay, so let's see what are the options given. The OB protein caused people to lose about 20% of their weight. 20% of their weight? But who lost the weight? Mice lost the weight, not the humans. This is how simple, that is how they trick you. You are in hurry, you are in rush. Please match the words. I will match it for you again. Mary L. Pounter and colleagues gave obese mice shots. Those on the highest dose lost 22% of the weight. Who lost the weight? Mice, not the people, not the humans. Eliminated. A deficiency in the OB protein had caused obesity in the subjects. I'm not quite sure because maybe I did not read that line well. So, whatever the option that confuses me or tells me to read again, I leave that option for the moment. So, this was an easy elimination. This can be answer, cannot be, I'm not sure. I go for elimination. A defective gene resulted in the production of protein. The results in the obese mice with a defective gene prevents them from making the protein. A defective gene resulted in the production of protein? No. Defective gene prevented the formation of protein. So prevented word is missing. It becomes opposite. Defective gene resulted in the production? No. Defective gene prevented the production of protein. So A and C eliminated. No energy spent on B, which is my answer. This is elimination for you guys. That's how you do it. So the next question you asked me, you did not ask about second question, guys. So I'm just jumping down the question. You asked me third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So I will try to record one more question. Okay. The paragraph informs reader that. Now, what does the paragraph inform? So paragraph informs the reader that OB protein. After 4 week means 1 month. After 1 month of treatment with a protein called OB, the fat simply falls off, leaving the vastly overweight mice slim, active, sensible eaters. So it's just like that paragraph. If the protein has the same effect on the people, it could be the miracle cure millions have been waiting for. So if the same thing can be applied to humans, it is a miracle. We will all become slim. That at least is the theory. But skeptics warn that extra doses would help people. But skeptics warn that extra doses would help the people lose weight. So skeptics are warning. Skeptic means the people who are doubtful. Skeptic always means doubtful. Okay. A protein has caused mice to lose weight dramatically. Yes. Protein has. Yes. That simply should be my answer. But anyhow, scientists agree that a new protein will make people lose weight. No, they are not convinced. They are not convinced that people will lose weight. They are not convinced. Scientists agree. No, it is a theory. Uh, that at least is the theory. Scientists do not agree. Again, elimination. Scientific method of making obese people slim has been developed. Has been developed means present perfect tense. Has been plus third form present perfect means it has already happened. No, it has not happened. Again, two very easy questions you have asked me, which can be done just like that. And these are the questions. I want to tell you how easy it is. Go for the grammar. Has been developed means has already happened, but they are saying it will happen. It has happened in the mice. It has not happened in the humans. And scientists agree that no, scientists do not agree. They are doubtful about the people. Protein has caused mice. Yes, dramatically means a lot of. Then I am the one who always tell you ly word should be taken care of. But ly word is also given over here. That leaving the vastly overweight mice means it was a huge transformation, and dramatically also means huge. So these are synonyms. Two ly words are matching over here. So I will like to know the answer of first and fourth. If everything is going fine, then I will record another session. Otherwise, we will do just like that. So please, guys, I have unmuted you. Can you please help me about first and fourth question? Are our answers right, or do we need to do it again?
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Any doubt to you guys, please? That is the question. Like these were the two simpler questions, and that's what I'm saying. If you can do these easy questions right in the exam, we all can pass. It's just about understanding grammar. Has been third form means present perfect. Is mring means present continuous. First form means present indefinite. So you have to match. See, I go to park, that means it is my habit. I go to park, it is my habit. Okay. I am going to park. That means it is a continuous tense. I am going to park. I have gone to park. That means I am talking about just one incident where I have already visited the park. I go to park daily, regular basis, present indefinite. I am going to park. I'm going to park. I have gone to park means I have visited the park. I'm talking about one incident. That is why in writing, Today visit is always written in the present perfect. Today the patient has visited. He has been found with this thing. He has been diagnosed with this thing. That is what it is all about. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM OET Institutes again to tell you how easy OET is. Please subscribe our channel if you have not. Now I'm posting that reading part A video which I promised you in the start, and subscribe our channel if you have not. Contact us for the best OET coaching. Our number is +91 76967 34256. Thank you.